Ramadan is over with the blink of an eye. I've been trying to eat healthy, which is why today I'm sharing an everyday recipe that you can try. So let's get started. This is a healthy, juicy Middle Eastern chicken steak recipe which I have paired with a lovely bulgur salad and garlic bread. I'm using 500 grams of chicken fillet which I butterflied and cut in half. I'm going to tenderize this meat and make it ready to marinate. To marinate this, I have taken 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, juice of 1 lemon squeezed, 1 teaspoon of oreganum, 1 sachet of tomato paste or 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of rough salt, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chilies, half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 2 tablespoons of full cream Greek yogurt. Mix this all together, and now that your marinade is done, it's time to add our chicken pieces and leave this to marinate for about an hour. To fry, all you need to do is drizzle some olive oil in a shallow pan, then place the chicken fillet pieces over this and fry for about 5 minutes on either side until it is properly cooked. To serve this, I'm going to use a platter, and on this platter I've placed in some washed lettuce leaves. I've also added some bulgur wheat with some chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, chopped mint and coriander, some flax seeds, and created a quick and simple salad to be placed on top of the lettuce leaves. To my serving platter, I have also added in some store-bought garlic bread. Now, wasn't this a simple and easy way to make a scrumptious and hearty meal? And look at that chicken and how juicy the fillets look. I'm just going to place this onto my serving platter, and it's now ready to be served. Try it out for yourselves and let me know in the comments section what you thought about the recipe. Until the next vlog, happy cooking, and don't forget to subscribe!